After Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Ahmedabad, we are now in Hyderabad. Unicorn Equipment, a trusted name and India's leading manufacturer of light construction machinery for over 3 decades. From bar bending machines to bar cutting machines, plate compactors, laser screeds, ride-on rollers, tamping rammers, and much more. Our wide range of equipment is designed to deliver efficiency, durability, and unmatched performance on every construction site. With a strong legacy of innovation, quality manufacturing, and after-sales support, Unicorn Equipment has become the one-stop solution for contractors, builders, and infrastructure projects across India. Unicorn Equipment. Build your way better.